بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الرحمن بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الرحمن
Hi, my name is Sumaira. I have done my BS honors from GC University, Lahore. I have been an exchange student to the USA in Troy University, Alabama. Um, when I was 12 and a half years old, I started having pains in my body. I didn't know. I started taking painkillers, a lot of painkillers, but couldn't get any relief. Um, all of my medical tests, all of my scans, they were all clear, but diagnosis was nothing. Pain was so chronic. It used to be in all of my joints, in all of my body parts. Um, During all of my studies, I went to the USA. My treatment, my diagnosis was still nothing. Sometimes I got anemic, sometimes it was, you can say, low blood sugar levels, but no reason was diagnosed. In 2018, in December 2018, my sister told me about Surya Rahman therapy. She was suffering from celiac disease and she got to know about the therapy on YouTube. She did the therapy while staying at home. She didn't meet anyone but the one to whom she was told to meet. She just cleaned her heart and listened to the Surah Rahman with closed eyes, having half a glass of water, and forgiving anyone because at that time she was furious and was not forgiving some of her relatives. Um, the effect, the relief was really miraculous when after 7 days she got perfectly fine. She started having meals perfectly and without any diarrhea or anything else. But she told me about the therapy she shared, and as I was suffering from a lot of issues, not the pains only, because with pains I had a lot of allergies as well, stomach pains and stomach issues as well. She just suggested me to do the therapy and said that you can do, and as I got relieved, you will do as well. But to be honest, I did the therapy, I listened to the recitation, I did the meditation, but I didn't get 100% results. Um, when I used to do, I used to feel better. But when I used to quit, the pains were again back. It remained till 2.5 years when in 2021, I was told to forgive my own self. I was told that I was not forgiving my own self. And due to this reason, I was not forgiving the people around me, including relatives or strangers as well, to whom I used to meet, I used to live with them. So I just found out it is hatred, it is anger. These are all our own negative thoughts which keep us unhealthy, which keep us sick. It's not anyone else because the people around me, they are still the same. They are the same with whom I was not even ready to live for a minute. The life is the same, the problems they come, they go, but it changed my own way of thinking. The forgiveness that was required for myself and for others. It is the it is the key of this therapy. That problem lies within our thought. We need to change our thought procedures. We need to forgive. We need to pray for others. So, regarding my diagnosis, it was fibromyalgia, and after around 13 years, weak RA factor was also it was also positive because I was having so much pains in my joints. Besides Sjogren syndrome and many other things, but they were not like diseases or the things because they basically relate with your psychiatry and the medication for these things they really go along with your life. But the moment I forgive myself and others, all of my pains are gone. They are still gone from 2021. But one thing I want to add, the root cause, it lies in our own thinking procedure. And the other thing, that you need to keep on going with dua. You need to keep on praying and make other to do this therapy. Because once I quit doing this 3 times a day or stop telling others, I feel the same pains. Because it's not like you are done with it in your life once and you not need to do anymore. No, because once you do, you need to keep on going with this, doing 3 times a day. And furthermore, in your life, when you see anyone in trouble, in problem, any sufferer, any patient, any sufferer, any patient, you need to do it because you just tell them, you just make them to forgive others. You feel the same energy coming back in your body. You just need to do the water prayer therapy after 7 days. Once you are done with your therapy of Surah Rahman recitation, you just keep on doing the 3 times water prayer therapy and telling others because life and the incidents and the people, your own self, basically, it comes when you get stuck in that situation again. So this prayer meditation, this water prayer meditation 3 times a day, and to tell others, to share others, it keeps you safe and you feel yourself like you are again back. So it's a very beautiful therapy. You can say a meditation, a therapy, or basic is forgiveness, cleanliness of heart, and praying for others, and repentance on your own sins and doings, whatever you have done intentionally or unintentionally to others.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم